Welcome to CIT Tech Tips. Today we're going to be explaining how to create your very own AI chatbot right on the internet. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. But what is an AI chatbot? Well, an AI chatbot is a computer-generated machine that will simulate conversation in a natural way. They use things like artificial intelligence to simulate real-time conversation and natural human language. They are commonly used for websites and apps in order to simulate customer support as well as natural conversation. But how are AI chatbots beneficial? Well, AI chatbots are available 24/7, which means that customers can reach out to them at any point to answer common questions. They also provide fast and automatic responses without needing a human to reply. And because they can answer questions commonly asked, businesses can save time and money by using these chatbots. And they can talk to many users at the same time, which improves efficiency. But how does an AI chatbot work? Well, first, a user will send in a prompt that will then trigger the AI chatbot. Then, it will process the question that it was just asked and translate it into understandable format. Then, it will process your question and then try to find an answer and translate it back into an understandable conversation for you. And lastly, it will reply to your initial prompt with the correct answer. Now, we will teach you the steps to creating your own AI chatbot. Today, we will be using Zapier to create your AI chatbot. Zapier works by linking information such as a Google Sheets or Gmail, and then using information from there to respond to any sort of prompt. Now, the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this website right here, which is the Zapier website. We will link that down below. Or you can look up Zapier on your search engine. Now, the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click the Create button right here. Then you'll be given a list of prompts. You will want to click the Chatbots Beta. Next, you're going to want to type a name in for your chatbot. For this, we will be using CIT Chatbot. You're going to want to make sure that you use the from scratch option. Otherwise, an AI will be used to create your chatbot. After this, you're going to want to click Create. This, after it loads, will then give you a list of instructions that you can work with. Your first one is going to be your greeting. You can customize your greeting to be whatever you would like. However, you can also use AI to create your greeting for you. This will be what prompts every single interaction when a customer uses your AI. Next, you're going to want to look at the directive, which has the objective, the style, and other rules. Now, for the objective, this is where you will explain to the AI what its purpose is. For example, if it is going to be used for customer service for your website. This here, you can change and customize to let it know everything that it needs to know. You can also link different sources such as a Google Sheet or a website that can search through to find answers to any situation. For this, we will be using our website's objective, which is for CIT Tech Tips. So it's explaining that it is a tech-based AI that will only answer to tech-based questions. Next is the style. The style is how the AI will interact with the user, whether or not it will be friendly or cheerful or moody, or if it will have a specific tone, and how it will present the information, whether it will be bullet points or any other form of information. And lastly, we will have the other rules, which is where any sort of extra information needed for the AI will be placed. For example, we are going to be only talking tech related, meaning if you ask how many calories are in a banana, our AI will not respond. However, if you ask it how many calories are in a RAM stick, it will respond. You want to make sure that you save your changes, and then you can look to see how your AI will look on a window or a mobile device. Lastly, you're going to want to go to publish your link, and you're going to copy the link right there, and then you can paste it into your website. We're right now going to make sure that our AI chatbot is working. And as you can see right here, it is working just fine. We type in a prompt such as, what is this chatbot for? And it will give a specific response related to the information that we put in its directive. I hope you enjoyed today's video on how an AI chatbot works, its benefits, and how to create your own using Zapier. If you have any questions or any video suggestions, make sure to comment down below and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Jesse Daly out.